Hey guys, I just woke up.
Fun with Onision fireworks!
That's what I was thinking we should do.
What do you think, Mr. Guinea Pig?
I don't know, Greg. I'm just a guinea pig.
What do you think, Mrs. Lilu?
I don't know. I mean, you.
First, we gotta think about safety. Gotta put on the neck brace.
What do you want to break my neck?
Also, the safety goggles. Oh, I can't see anything. The suspenders so my pants don't fall down. Hardcore biker jacket.
Yeah.
Demon's wings to protect my soul. Guess I'm putting this on for some reason.
El Mato.
My boots.
Check for spiders.
Great, now I'm all thirsty and stuff. Gonna blow stuff up. It's gonna be fun. Maybe most importantly, we got these gloves so I don't blow my fingers off.
We'll just put the fire extinguisher here.
Oh, I wonder what this thing does. I should probably get away, huh? Ah! Look, I'm shooting it from my pee-pee.
Alright, now I'm gonna aim for the fence and we'll see what happens. Fire extinguishing!
Well, since I'm really bad at hitting smaller targets, I should try hitting my whole house.
Expecto Patronum!
That was underwhelming. Sorry guys, I know this is a buzzkill, but I gotta take a pee break real quick. Almost done. A lot of pee today. Man, this thing doesn't quit. Woo! Oopsie. For years, people have been asking me to shoot myself in the head. I guess today's the day. Goodbye, cruel world. I guess we'll have to try again. Did I do it? Oh my. And now for the finale. Cue the music, please. I was gonna do a finisher. All right. Just remember to never try this at home, because it's really stupid.